Here is a home design table fan. Even though it doesn't have a brand on it. But it says right here on the box, home design. And it was apparently sold at Rite Aid originally. That was the front of the box. The side. The bottom. And the top. You can see it still has a price tag on it. I got this at a flea market. I didn't pay 10 for it though. I paid 5 because the flea market was ending and the people who were selling this were desperate to get rid of it. So, and basically the reason I got this was so that if I found a vintage fan that someone was using and didn't want to sell, I could trade it for this. Because it's a pretty cheap fan. Here's the manual. It's a model F1211. And on one of these pages, something I found interesting. Right there it says Optimus Enterprise Inc. So I know that a few years ago there were a bunch of fans that were branded Optimus, so I guess this was made by, or at least distributed by those people. And of course, 1 year limited warranty, which I think it's actually outlived. I don't know how old this fan is, but it's definitely pretty new because it has one of these plugs. I think I got this back in 2015, maybe. I don't remember. Anyway, I will turn it on. Start on low. Maybe it needs oil. Or it could be just because it's cheap. Medium. And this is only like the second time I put it together, so really doesn't move that much air. Oh yeah, it definitely needs oil. I'll have to put some in a minute. But anyway, there you go. I hope you enjoyed, and thanks for watching.